Alrighty, look at these massive Ninja Turtles. These look really cool. Alright. Look at Shredder as well, that's really cool. Oh, I think maybe that Raphael. Donnie's a bit far back. Can't get Shredder. Oh, I think they're all a bit hard actually. Maybe the Raph, maybe. Oh, I moved him out a bit. Alright, so we can get Raphael out here. Moved him out a little bit. Let's give that a go. Oh, it's under his legs. I like it. Oh, no way. That is awesome. Ah, Raphael. That is awesome. Oh, hang on. My daughter's having another go. Hang on. I'll try and win Donnie. Oh, I'll tell you what. Oh. Actually, I've got another go here for some reason. Oh, come on. No. Oh, that'll do. Got a massive Raphael. That is awesome. Alright. So you can win one more. Maybe this Donatello. Let's try that. Really good size for these machines. I really like looking at that Shredder, that's really cool. Come on. Yeah. These are perfect size for this claw. Two from the same machine. Now we've got Donnie. Ah, that is awesome. Got one more go. Nice if I can pull Shredder out. I don't know if I can get anything else. Maybe the Shredder here, maybe. Let's swing that side of his head. Oh, it's around his neck. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, no, two for the one machine. That is pretty awesome. Gotta get the rest of these guys.